There's our latest palm planting right there. Wendy just came home from the Big Island. And of course, she had a vehicle load of plants. So she brought home 2 more Mediterranean fan palms. That's a Camerops humilis, green form. And here's one in our garden, a blue form, Cerifera. And then there is another green form. We have a lot of Camerops in our garden. That one I planted many years ago. And it was that small when I planted it. So it's doing really well now. So it won't take long for that to get to that size. It would be growing even faster if it wasn't underneath that big western red cedar tree, you see, because the roots from that tree infiltrate this soil and suck a lot of the moisture out. But that tree is on its way out, and as the tree dies, there's less roots going into the soil. So anyway, I dug the $5 hole for the $1 plant, and that is going to thrive. So anyway, hope you like this video, and please subscribe to Gulf Island Rock, because there's always interesting videos on here for you to watch on Wendy's channel. Sometimes she shoots them, sometimes I shoot them. A lot of times they're edited, but sometimes they're not edited. This one probably won't be edited. I mean, it's up to you. Are you going to edit it?
I'm not sure. I might do it with kind of like with photos.
That's the channel owner right there. That is Mrs. Gulf Island Rock herself. All right, cheers and aloha from Salt Spring Island, and plant a palm because you can't grow wrong. All right.